Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change password Outlook website. In your Outlook account on the web, click on the user profile and click on My Profile. There at the top, click on Change Password. Now in these fields, enter the current password and then the new password that you are going to set. You can make it change every 72 days if you wish. Click on Save to complete this process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.